Hey guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 application. This is going to be a complete MT5 tutorial where you'll get to know how you can connect your broker account with Meta5 and how you can buy or sell any currency pair using MT5. And by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to take trades and make money. So first of all, you need to open your MetaTrader 5 application. After opening, you will see this kind of an interface. So here you need to go to the settings and select new account so that you can connect your MT5 with your broker account. Now enter your broker's name here. Likewise, we are trading using multi-bank. So basically here you need to search MEX Atlantic Corporation. Now you need to enter your credentials like login ID and password. Your login ID is your multi-bank's account number. You can simply open your multi-bank's application and copy that account number. Now enter your password that you have set it. After you log in, you will see your balance here. As you can see, my balance is 0.99 USD and exactly this much amount is available in my multi-banks funds. In the bottom side of the application, you can find 5 options: quotes, chart, trade, history and settings. If you will click on settings, you will be able to see your legal name here with the broker name and trading account number. By choosing new account, you can add your further more accounts here, and all the options are not that much important as a beginner because you will not be using them right now. Now I am starting with the quotes. Quotes are basically watch list where you will find every major currency pair: Euro, USD, Gold, Great Britain Pound, Japanese Yen and etc. You can yourself create your currency pair watch lists. Likewise, I'm deleting all the currency pairs from here and creating new watch list here just to show you. Click on enter symbol for search and now you will be able to see all the major pairs which you can add on your watch list. For example, I am choosing all the Australian dollar currencies from here. You need to click this green button in order to select your currency pair in your watch list, and then all the currency pairs will be shown in your watch list. I am also adding gold from here, and even you can type the currency pair manually and add it on your watch list. And as you can see, our quotes list or watch list is ready. Now if you want to trade on these currency pairs, you need to know how their charts are reacting, from where you will be able to analyze and predict the next move. You can clearly see a chart option is given there. Click this and analyze all the currency pair charts that you want to trade. You can also go to the chart clicking on the currency pair as well and use all the indicators that is given in this application. Now I will teach you how you can buy or sell a particular currency pair. So whatever the currency pair you wanna trade, simply click on it and choose the first option of trade. Now please don't get anxious looking at this application interface. Everything is easy here and you will be able to do it by yourself. So on the top, a currency pair is already selected which we are going to trade. Now if you will click on market execution, a drop down menu will open and you will see a lots of options. But as a beginner, only top 3 options are useful for us, which is market execution, buy limit and sell limit. And we'll be focusing on these 3 options only. Now in this section, you can simply select your lot size. You need to set your lot size according to your risk management. After lot size, we have 2 more options: stop loss and take profit, from where you can simply put your stop loss and set the target. Now market execution simply means that you will buy the particular currency pair on the market price, which means no matter whatever the price of that currency pair is running right now on the current markets, only on that price your order will get executed. Now second option here is buy limit. Using this option, you can manually enter your price point. The order will not get executed until your price point comes. For example, I have entered my price of 1.3870. Now my order will not get executed until this price comes. My order will get executed after this currency pair comes to my price point. The last option for us is sell limit, where I can simply select my selling price point. I'm sure you have learned all these 3 options that I just taught you, but if you are still confused, no worries, you can rewind this video and simply do the same. Now last step is to place the order. Like let me trade a live trade also to teach you. I entered my lot size here You can set your stop loss and take profit according to yourself and hit buy. Now my order is already executed. Now you can see your positions here, how much profit and loss you are in. Like I'm down by minus 19 USD. The first option, balance, shows that how much amount your account has. Then equity means this much amount is available to trade. Margin means this much amount is already being used in this trade. And in the bottom side you can see your positions, your currency pair name, the lot size, and that particular pair is giving you profit or loss. From clicking on the currency pair you can simply close the position, and that's it. You have already learned how you can trade using MT5. Thanks for watching.